There's a new way to generate a passive income online, and it's with a website called Johnny Blockchain. Now, Johnny Blockchain is not only a portfolio cryptocurrency management and arbitrage suite, it's also a smart contract that generates rewards of up to 125%. What does that actually mean? Well, what it means is when you use the Johnny Blockchain system, you need to buy Johnny Blockchain credits, and it's those credits that can turn into a passive income. Let me just share with you some of the testimonials from some of our users. So here's one from Stefan, and he shares his screenshot of his earnings, and you can click on this image. That will take you over to Stefan's Facebook page, so you can see he's a real person. You can connect with him if you wish. Moving on a bit further, I've got a screenshot there of lots of testimonials from people that are earning a passive income either from the smart contract or from using the arbitrage trading robot that's also inside Johnny Blockchain. Here's a message from Giles here. He's got a Facebook post there, and he's ecstatic that he's got an email telling him he's earned some money. Again, this is clickable. You can go over to his Facebook profile and check that out. And this one's from Dave. Dave Horn has also given a testimonial about his earnings. And this image is also clickable, that you can take you over to Facebook. Coming down a little bit further, we've got Jerry Cash here. And he's given a screenshot of the rewards actually going into his wallet. He's shown you the payments coming into his wallet. And again, you can click these images and it will take you over to his Facebook profile so you can check him out, that he's a real person on Facebook. I'm going to keep this video very short because the testimonials speak volumes and I don't want to waste too much of your time. But if you're interested in getting started with Johnny Blockchain and having a passive income, then what do you need to do? Below this video, you're going to find a link. It's going to take you over to this page. Then all you need to do is to click on this button that says register, go through the registration process, and you could be earning a passive income within the next 24 hours. You have a fantastic day. Click the button or the link below, and I look forward to seeing you inside Johnny Blockchain. Bye now.